go.
It's not bad, but definitely way too much drone. Way too much. Hood's fluttering. Making some sort of valve ticking sound. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. So the car that I was in was a Dodge Charger. I'm pretty sure it was a 2013. Don't know if it was the SRT, but it was definitely a Hemi. The car was okay. It was just being test driven, as you know, a friend was giving it to me to test drive it out, see how it was. Took it on the highway a little bit, as you can tell from the pulls. Not my cup of tea. However, this was not a completely stock Dodge Charger. So it was lowered, bigger wheels, definitely an aftermarket hood because it was fluttering at highway speed, and definitely a change up on the exhaust because it was not the stock exhaust, and it had a lot of drone, which was because of the straight pipe. So that's going to do it for this video. It wasn't a bad car, but now I could say I've driven a Dodge. It was the 5.7, I think, but don't quote me. But it definitely sounded great. It's just not my cup of tea. So I will keep looking for additional vehicles to test drive and put on the channel. So until then, we'll see you later. Also, got merch going on. I will post videos up on the merchandise really soon. So we will see you in the very near future. All right, bye-bye. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.